Hi everyone, my name is Arlie Fabian Diaz, and welcome to today's presentation on a topic close to all our hearts, Be Green. In a world facing ever-increasing environmental challenge, the need for sustainable living practice and environmental stewardship has never been more urgent. Today, we embark on a journey to explore actionable steps we can take to reduce our environmental impact, preserve our planet's precious resource, and secure a brighter, greener future for generations to come. So, let's dive in and discover together the power of eco-friendly actions and the profound impact they can have on our world. Cultivating sustainable habits in our daily lives is paramount for reducing our environmental impact. It's about embracing simple yet powerful change, like conserving energy and minimizing waste, by turning off lights when leaving a room, using energy efficient appliances, and opting for reusable items. We can all play a part in creating a greener future. Moving on to our next point, advocating advocating for environmental protection. It's more important now than ever before. It's about taking action beyond our individual efforts and joining forces with others to make a collective impact. Whether it's participating in community cleanups events, supporting environmental organizations, or simply spreading awareness about environmental issues, each of us has a role to play in safeguarding our planet for future generations. Let's talk about the importance of engaging in conservation efforts. Preserving biodiversity and protecting our ecosystem is crucial for maintaining the health of our planet. This means planting native species, supporting wildlife conservation projects, and being mindful of our consumption habits to minimize waste. By actively participating in conservation efforts, we can ensure a thriving environment for all living beings. Now, let's delve into the realm of policy change. Supporting policies that prioritize environmental sustainability is essential for creating systemic change. As individuals, we have the power to advocate for green policies at the local, national, and even global levels. This can include advocating for renewable energy initiatives, pushing for regulations that reduce carbon emissions, and supporting legislations that protects natural habitats. By actively engaging in the political process and using our voices to promote environmental policies, we can drive meaningful change and pave the way for a more sustainable future. In closing, let's reflect on impact of our collective actions. Every small step we take towards being green contributes to a large movement towards environmental stewardship, where is reducing our carbon footprint, advocating for policy change, or engaging in conservation efforts. Each action has ripple effects that extend far beyond ourselves. by coming together as a global community. We have the power to preserve our planet for future generations. So let's commit to being proactive environmental stewards and making a positive difference in the world. Together we can create a greener, more sustainable future for all. Thank you.